Hey guys, so welcome back to Bruno. Today I'm going to be doing a skit. It's like the best squishy package as you saw from the title and from the thumbnail. So yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. So let's get right into the video. And this is a skit. If you don't know what a skit is, it's something like that is fake and that's not real. So yeah, let's get right into this skit. And sorry for any background noises. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so welcome back to Bruno. So today I got a new squishy package, and my address is from my friend, so I'm not gonna show you that. But I ordered this package from an Instagram seller, and she was super duper nice. And her Instagram name was I love squishies. And yeah, okay, let's get right. So let's get right into this video, and I'm super excited. So yeah, so I'm gonna be opening it, and I did already take off the tape thingy. Okay, guys, so I see a lot of stuff. So you guys are gonna get the first peek. Okay, so I see a note. So I'm gonna go with the note first. This is my invoice. So let's go. 2 paper squishies are $3. A Kibru replica of the ice cream, $5, and a Kibru chow cake, the replica, $5, and a bluish dog, $3, a taco squishy, $6, a poop squishy, $5, a popcorn squishy, $3, a whoopee cushion squishy, $5, and a strawberry squishy, $3, and there's extras inside. So let's go with the extras because I think I already saw them. So yeah. So here are the extras. So she sent me like this little bear thingy, and it's like really cute. It smells so good. So thank you so much for this extra. Then she sent me like this little things and these extras. So really nice of her. So she gave me this little cake, this s'more, this croissant, and it's kind of hard, but I still like it. And then there's milk and this whipped cream. It's really sticky. So thank you so much for this extras. And this like little bag is really cute. Okay, now for the stuff that I ordered. So yeah. So this is the Kibru chow cake, and it is slow rising. It smells so good. And this is actually the replica, so yeah. And it doesn't come in any packaging because she told me. So I really like this. And this was $5 for a really good price for this replica. This doesn't really smell like chemicals, but it smells like chocolate. I know it smells like really weird, but it smells like chocolate, but it's really squishy. And this was $5. It smells so good. Yes. So I have this strawberry, and this was $3, a really good price. It smells so good. It smells like fruits. Like I really love this scent. So I got this strawberry. Then we got our popcorn that was $3, and like for $3, like for this popcorn, like amazing. Because then like this will be like $5 like in another store. So really good price for this popcorn. Then I have this taco, and it was $6. Kind of expensive, and it's like the most expensive thing from like from everything that I ordered. So yeah, but I still like it. So this is the K-Brew ice cream, and it's the replica. And it's not that fluorescent because it's the replica, but yeah, it's kind of done, but I still like it. Super duper slow icy. Smells so good. So I really like this ice cream, and yeah. And I think there's 3 things left. So this is one of my 2 paper squishies. So this is the cereal box, and I really like this. It's kind of airy. Then we got this poop that was $5. This doesn't even smell like anything. That's good, but like, yeah, imagine if this like smells like poop. It'll be really weird. And it'll be so gross. But yeah, I really like this. With the face really cute. And I think this is the last one. And this is a chocolate bar. So I'm really happy about all of the stuff that I got. So yeah, guys, see you in my next video. Bye. So don't forget to like and subscribe down below, guys. And I'm like so sorry because it was like really bad because of this lighting. You know, I should put it like this, and then just really bad. But I think that's good. Okay. So yeah, guys. Bye. So don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I'm like so sorry if this video was kind of really bad. But yeah. Bye.